Hello and welcome to Kit Plus. Now we are leading up to NAB and we're chatting to a few exhibitors about what's new and what they'll be talking to visitors at the show about. And we've done a few videos with Net Insight, and this one is with David Edwards on the Nimbra 400. Hi David, how are you doing?
Hi Simon, good to talk to you.
So Nimbra 400, there's some news I believe around the platform.
Yes, so Nimbra 400, it's our bidirectional networked media transport device. It can carry media flows across video networks, and it has the capability to encode and decode and interface to video networks, whether that is leased and managed networks, or whether that's the unmanaged internet and using the power of that lower cost transport mechanism. So that's the Nimbra 400, and we're really excited about it for this NAB.
Yeah. Now the broadcast world is continuing to evolve all the time, and I'm guessing that's meant the 400 has had to change as well.
It is, and what we're seeing now is that we're seeing a lot of broadcasters and a lot of rights holders and OTT platform operators looking to leverage additional content in addition to maybe a tier one event. So you're seeing a lot of sidecar content popping up. You're also seeing these rights holders and broadcasters looking to leverage new ways to engage viewers for longer. So you're seeing content coming up on social media platforms and other on-demand platforms. And the Nimbra 400 is really being driven by a lot of that desire. And we see a lot of that being done in combination with the unmanaged internet and using that as a transport mechanism. So Nimbra 400 is seeing a real growth in its sales, and we've been adding more capability into the product to support that.
Yeah. So with that in mind, how does it help in events applications, for example?
So in events applications, so Nimbra 400, it's an encode decode device. It's a channel dense device. So when you are doing remote production, you've got multiple services that you can transmit out of the device, either the managed network connections or the unmanaged internet connections, but it's bi-directional as well. So you can get these return feeds back into maybe an event stadium. And what that means is that enables broadcasters to easily support their presentation elements that you see at the start and maybe halftime and end of the event. And that's enabling them to do what they need to do. There's also a VPN feed as well. So you have this segmented IT network carriage as well. So people who are working at the remote events can have access to all of their IT connections. You know, they can access their emails, they can have communication and all of those things that anyone needs to operate in a modern broadcast world.
Okay. So users out there that might be using your cloud platform, the Nimbra Edge, how does the Nimbra 400 integrate into that?
So the Nimbra 400, as I said, it spans this managed networks and also the unmanaged networks. But as in conjunction with Nimbra Edge, it's really this edge node capability. So with Nimbra Edge providing and setting up all of these managed connections, all of these connections, and you can set them up dynamically, set one up for a time and then tear it down. And Nimbra Edge gives you that capability to do that over a cloud platform. Where Nimbra 400 comes in is it gives you that edge node that's absolutely so important to get the content in and the content out of the network.
Yeah. Now, I'm told you're allowed to share some user cases. I know we've always got to be careful with these things, but can you tell us who's actually using it?
Yes. So as one of the launches at NAB this year, we're launching our new Connected unmanaged network platform, and it operates. It's really fast to launch. It operates within a COTS-based server as the control system, so you can be up and running within moments and making your network connections. And with Nimbra 400 and Connected, we already have some systems in operation. So in conjunction with Safari Solutions, we have the ability, and we're deploying a system for a major golfing event. When this enables us to do 6 feeds out of that event for additional content alongside the major tier 1 feed, and that enables Nimbra Edge is providing the transmission out of the event over the unmanaged network, and is also retransmitting that network into social media platforms. So we are bringing live content for users now onto second screens and that sort of thing in conjunction with Connect It with Safari Solutions.
Fantastic. Where can people find out, or where can people find you at NAB? Where will you be?
So you can find us at NAB. We're in West Hall, 2421. Come and find us there. We've got lots of exciting things to talk about at NAB this year.
And for people not at the show, David, where can they find more information?
So lots of information is on our website, netinsight.net. All of the information that you need is there.
Thank you very much indeed. Now, we've done another video with David on trust boundaries, and David mentioned the Connect IT as well. And we've done another video with his colleague Jonathan Smith on that. So do check out those other videos on our channel. For everything else we're doing at NAB, you can check that out at kitplus.com.